Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily Tesla report for Friday, June 6th, 2025. Let's take a look at the charts. Big sell-off on Thursday. We'll get into that in a second. But the bottom line is we have yet to close a weekly session above the low 350s key overhead long-term resistance. Last week, we certainly pushed through it, even closed above it a couple of days. But we mentioned in terms of the long-term price swings, you can't count on the buy signal unless we close above the 350-139 to 350-260 area on a weekly basis. Didn't happen. That in itself, the fact that we closed back below it at the end of last week, was a sign of a market that had rejected, at least on the daily chart, that buy signal. Market then predisposed to bearish rotation. We didn't sign off on the sell signal fully until we closed just a couple of days ago. And this is Wednesday, where we closed below the 349.10 rising channel bottom. That was our go with to 281.06, or in other words, the channel bottom that we now find at 281.06. It was in the upper 270s yesterday, the mid 270s a few days ago, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So we tested this channel bottom. We also, on Friday, opened just below the 326.34 channel bottom, and that was also a sign of weakness. We broke a 3/8 Fibonacci on the way down. Obviously, there's a verbal war going on right now between Donald Trump and Elon Musk that apparently has bearish consequences for Tesla. So, I'm not quite sure how all that math adds up, but here we are. So 281.06 is still a buyable support level. Buyable, especially if you've been short.